Hi, new class. My name is Blake Rubolo. I'm in the engineering field, more specifically the aerospace engineering field, and my topic was quality assurance. So let's get right into it. Why it's important. Quality assurance is one of the most important aspects in the field of engineering because it directly relates to the safety of the products that engineers produce. Without a quality assurance team, we could have products that don't work, and more importantly, can harm us and our families. So that's why it's important. And of course, that's going to lead into why it's an ethical issue. Without a good quality assurance team in engineering, you're going to produce products that can hurt people, can kill people, more importantly. And without good quality assurance engineers, companies won't be successful. And I think it would be a good topic for analytical research paper because it is something that can be deeply analyzed and researched. Of course, there's lots of examples and problems that could be analyzed. It would be good to showcase the problems that face the quality assurance field because I think it's important for an audience to know what kind of processes their products that they receive are going through before they get them in their hands. And also, it's a peace of mind aspect. So it's important for us to know the process because when I hold, for say, my phone in my hand, I want to know that it's not going to, blow up in my hand like we all know that one Samsung phone was doing. So I think it's important for that aspect as well. And then getting into the infographic itself, the design was chosen to showcase what quality assurance is in today's world. So we all kind of have an idea of what quality assurance might be, but in today's technological world, things are always changing, and companies are trying to produce products as fast as possible. So with that being said, companies sometimes don't take the proper measures to ensure quality. So I wanted to include a lot of charts to show the process that quality assurance goes through. I included some statistics on the changing world and the changing quality assurance and how companies are adapting to these changing quality assurance practices and why that's important. And again, I wanted the audience to understand the process behind the quality assurance. At the bottom, I included a case study of the Boeing 737 MAX 8, which was a huge problem for Boeing. Boeing lacked an internal organization to ensure product safety for quality assurance, so people died because of that. And I feel like that was really important to include because it showcased the ethical dilemma in quality assurance. So thank you for listening. I'll see you in class.